Okay, so let's start drawing our walls. What I'm going to do is type PL for polyline. I'm going to select anywhere on the screen and we're going to go 50 feet and go down 24 feet, come back 50 feet and type C for close. Now I'm going to offset 4 inches and we're going to offset inside, and then I'm going to offset again at 5 inches for our brick ledge. So there we have our 5-inch offset there. And now I'm going to explode the interior line that I did here so I can use that to offset my interior walls. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to start offsetting my walls, and I'm going to type 14 feet, enter, and offset 4 inches. Oops, let's try that again. 14 feet. Now I'm going to offset 4 inches. And let's offset this one 5 feet 8 inches. Let's go again, offset 4 inches. And this one we're going to offset, let's say 4 feet. And let's go 4 inches. Okay, now let's draw a line, or I'm sorry, let's offset again over here on this side. I'm going to offset this 12 feet, offset again 4 inches, and I'm going to use a trim command now, and I'm going to start trimming that. So these are going to be our 2 bedrooms, and I may slightly adjust that in a minute. Just trying to get started here, and let's offset this wall 4 inches. Actually, before I do that, let's extend this wall here, and I just hit, let me do that again, EX for extend. I selected this wall, right click, and I'm going to select those 2 to extend it over there. And I'm going to offset for a hallway 3 feet 6 inches over here, and let's hit offset 4 inches. And now let's trim some of this out. Okay, and let's clean it up a little bit more. Okay, and I may adjust this a little bit more in the future, but let's keep moving forward. And I'm going to go ahead and offset this 3 feet 6 over here. Oops, sorry about that. Let's actually, let's see, what I want to do is I'm trying to create a closet here, so we're going to go, let's go 6 feet off this wall. Let's go offset 4 inches, and actually I don't want this to be this wide, so let's go 3 feet 6 here, and I'm going to go ahead and get rid of these. Offset 4 inches, offset 5 feet, because this is going to be a bath area, and let's offset 4 inches again. Okay, so now I'm going to trim this out there, and let's trim that, and we will trim this as well, and let's go ahead and clean this up. And I'm actually going to use the fillet command. So fillet and radius, we'll type R for radius, we'll keep it at 0. And what I can do then is just select these 2 lines, hit enter to enter that command again. And there we go. Now I'm going to hit E for erase, extend. Okay. So what I want to do here is I'm going to create a doorway for my bathroom here. So what I want to do is going to draw a line, offset 4 inches, and my doors, for standard purposes, I'm just going to do all my doors at 2 feet 8, and going to offset that, and I want to do an offset at 4 inches again, and I'm going to go ahead and move these 2 walls to that point there, and then go ahead and create some trim, use the trim command there, and let's extend this to the other side as well. EX, and this will be the door for my room over here. And let's go ahead and clean those up. Go ahead and erase that, and let's draw that line back. There we go. Okay, I'm gonna draw a line here, and this is going to be the area for my kitchen. So I'm going to offset 2 feet, which is the standard depth for cabinets, and I'm going to extend my wall out to that point. And I'm going to go ahead and make this line up with that. So I'm going to use stretch command. I'm going to select these walls, and there we go. Let's erase that. Okay, so this is going to start developing into our kitchen. This will be our bath, this will be our closet for this bedroom, and here we have a closet for this bedroom. And I'm also going to create a closet for the hall, which is go offset 3 feet, and we'll come back in 2 feet. And I'm going to offset 4 inches. And it's going to encroach a little bit into the closet, but that's okay. It's a pretty big closet anyway. So this will be a closet. This is a closet for the hallway. And we have a doorway for our bedroom. And this is also going to be a door. And what I'm going to do to center that door is just draw a line here. And I'm going to draw a line there. And we're going to offset 1 feet 4 on in each direction, so that will equal 2 feet 8. Oops, and I want to extend. Oh, see if I could do that. There we go. Okay, trim. And let's erase that. Okay. All right, so let's continue on to lay out our kitchen. So here I'm going to do a refrigerator, oven, and the sink. So it's kind of be a U-shaped kitchen. So for a refrigerator, we want a minimum of 36 inches, which is 3 feet, but we want to give it a little bit more space than that, just to have, so it's not completely tight at 3 feet. So I'm going to go 3 feet 2 inches for my refrigerator space, and I'm going to go ahead and trim that out. And then this will begin my cabinets here. I'm going to offset 2 feet for my cabinets on this wall, and I'm going to offset 2 feet, give myself 30 inches for my range. We'll offset 2 feet again, and this will be where our kitchen begins to come around this way. I'm going to offset 3 feet. And let's go ahead and do a little trimming. Okay, and then offset 3 feet for our sink and 2 feet for a dishwasher. I'm going to go 2 feet this way, and we'll go ahead and close that up. So let's use trim again. Okay, let's trim some of this as well. So for cabinets, you want to do 3-inch increments is the standard. So usually they start about 9 to 12 inches, and then you could usually increase your increments by 3 from there. So what I have here is I'm gonna have a 30-inch range here, 36-inch sink, dishwasher, refrigerator. So those are basically the main components of a kitchen, and then we will have an extended bar area over here, and I probably will add another let's see, yeah, we'll go ahead and add another 2 feet to this kitchen here. Let's extend this. Oops, EX, extend, right click and get that around there. Okay, all right, so basically we're just laying out the basic layout of this home, and we will have an overhang here for this island or peninsula, and this will be our dining area, our family room, and then here I'm going to put a utility room. So next thing I want to do is let's go ahead and cut out the rest of our doors. So right here I'm going to click there, and let's make our doors 4 foot wide. So I offset 2 feet each way, trim, and let's delete that. And let's see, let's add a door for our closet here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to center it. Actually, I could have just hit here. And I'm going to go with a smaller door size for our closets, and we'll do 1 feet 2 inches each way. So that would give us a 2'4" door. So a little bit smaller than the entry to our rooms, just because it's a closet, it just doesn't need to be that large. And let's go ahead and trim our wall here. And I'm going to go ahead and offset 2 feet for our closet here. Give this one a little bit of a bigger door since it's a bigger closet. And let's trim. Let's go ahead and select everything here, and we'll just trim our walls all around. Okay, so that's pretty much the walls of our house. So now the next thing we will do is add some windows.